The Ring Resizer tool allows us to adjust the size of a ring while keeping all proportions and design elements perfectly intact. To begin, we go to the Manufacturing tab and open the Ring Resizer command. We start by selecting the shank and adding it to the selector inside the command panel. Since in this case we don't want to deform the stone setting area, we'll switch the mode to variable. This activates the gumballs, allowing us to define the area of the ring that should remain unaffected. For this model, we'll open the angle to about halfway across the shank, ensuring that the setting area remains protected. Next, we select the ring sizes we want to generate. In this example, sizes 51, 59, and 65. We'll then open the Identifier tab and activate it. Here, we can add a reference identifier. In this case, we'll use RA followed by the size. Now, we'll set the parameters for the sprue. We'll change the height to 4 mm and the inside ring to 0.5 mm. Next, we'll set both the top X and top Y to 1.5 mm and activate them. Once all parameters are ready, we click Refresh to compute the scaling. Multiple copies are created automatically in the selected sizes. Each one is labeled with its identifier, including the ring size and its corresponding sprue. After confirming that everything is correct, we can accept the command to finalize the resized rings. As we can see, even though the rings have different sizes, the settings remain perfectly aligned, maintaining the same proportions and spacing as in the original design.